Hi everyone. For my issue presentation, I chose to focus on professional development for K-12 technology integration, as it is important for many of the staff that I'm currently working at my school. So I thought I'd be a part of the solution to help guide them in the right direction. My research question is as follows. With the rise of technology integration in K-12 educational institutions, what professional development will effectively assist educators in integrating technology in instructional processes? First, professional development must be and have an effective model that will enhance teachers' knowledge and skills. Research has shown that a minimum of 60 to 80 hours annually of professional development will help empower teachers to integrate this technology in their classrooms. There are many aspects of this issue, but these are a few of the aspects that I will be going deeper into in the next couple of slides. Teacher buy-in, technology gap, ineffective trainings, and lack of funding and resources. So the first is teacher buy-in. So getting teacher buy-in is important when technology is involved, especially for those who are not convinced technology is worth the time and effort. The second is a technology gap, and one reason for that gap is that teachers face a number of barriers when integrating technology into their instruction: access, vision, beliefs, time, and professional development. Ineffective trainings. Trainings can be a barrier to technology integration when it lacks connection to actual classroom practice or focuses solely on technical skills. So it's important for the trainings to be effective and useful for teachers. Lastly, access. So there's a lack of funding and or resources that contribute to the issues that schools face when wanting to implement technology into classroom instruction. So there are some positive effects that impact this field. There have been new tools and new positions created, such as technology coach, mentor, and then there are also some challenges that impact this field. Include districts preparing teachers who are well practiced in traditional classroom delivery methods to integrate educational technology into curriculum. And then there are some teachers in schools who lack the infrastructure or knowledge base to effectively integrate technology into instruction. So some implications are that schools should consider ways to offer in-classroom training with follow-up support as a part of their efforts, and that a mentor or coach could play a big role in creating that environment that leads to teachers to use technology. So there are suggested technology professional development systems implemented by districts that will help teachers reach and impact mastery levels. And these are some of the things that were suggested for research, after research. Now, these are indicators of success to see if the professional development has been effective. Some examples are collaboration amongst staff. There's more powerful student learning, and teachers who become trainers, and that the classroom instruction is redesigned. So how this is connected to our learning, we have learned about the technological pedagogical content knowledge framework, and it helps me understand that teachers' content knowledge is paramount in any teaching and learning process. And so it helped me to better understand how to integrate technology. We also learned about the history of learning technologies field and how it has developed over time. And we can see how technology has progressed over the years and how it continues to be impactful. We also learned about the theories and models of learning and instruction. And understanding the different models of learning helps to better understand how educators learn and how professional development can be created with the intent of creating environments for maximum learning around technology integration. So knowing that situated professional development, such as mentoring or coaching, can be a promising way to prepare teachers to negotiate the common barriers and improve their use of technology for instruction, I believe schools will start to implement this learning model for teachers. There has also been some research around the concept of communities of practice, and the idea of communities of practice offers teachers long-term support in the context of their classroom without heavily relying on an outside expert, and it also reduces costs to hire a technology mentor for the school. So as technology continues to enhance, there needs to be future research to determine the extent to which professional development, mentoring, community of practices, and teacher beliefs play a role in creating an environment that promotes technology integration and teachers' instructional practice. So these are essential factors for successful technology integration: individualistic in-service technology training, a coach or mentor program, and professional development for teachers are essential factors for successful technology integration. And believing that learning